If this video helps you out, please do well to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so you get notified whenever I make such a video like this. To create a digital menu board, there's three things you need. First, you need Canva. Second thing you need is an MiStick, not a thumb drive. The third thing you need is your own TV, which I believe you should have by now. Now, I'd advise you create a separate Canva account from the one you already have for the purposes of privacy. Once this account is created, you go into the account and you create a design. That is a 16:9 design, just like the one you can see here. Now, once you create, this is a presentation, by the way. Now, once this is created, design or make the menu as per how you like it. I'm going to present this design whilst I'm recording so you see how it looks. So once the design is done, what we need now is a MiStick. I'd advise you get the 4K one because it's the same one I use. At the end of this video, I'll show you a live example of such a digital menu I have in one of the locations we have. We have multiple locations. However, I control all of them centrally from my laptop. That's why I said you don't need a thumb drive, because if it were a thumb drive, then you would have to manually walk into those locations to make edits. You'll understand later. Now, what you need to do is to get the MiStick and sideload Chrome onto the MiStick. If you need help on how to sideload Chrome on the MiStick, don't forget to comment down below and I'll make a video on how to do this if you need help. Now, once Chrome is downloaded on the is sideloaded on the MiStick, what you need to do next is to download an app called Zank Remote. So on the MiStick, which is connected to the TV, you download Zank Remote, and then also from the App Store or the Play Store, you download Zank Remote on your mobile phone. Reason is, inside Chrome, you cannot use your TV's remote. Inside Chrome, you need to use something that is a mouse. You understand? So if you download Zank Remote, it's a wireless remote control for TV. And so you can basically use it as a mouse inside Chrome. And trust me, it even works way better than a standard TV remote. So now that we have a new Canva account, we have the MiStick plugged into our TV, and we have already made the presentation we want to roll out for our locations. The next thing for us to do is to sign into the said Canva account on the TV from Chrome and open the presentation that we already created initially. Once the presentation is opened, all you have to do is use the Zank remote from your mobile phone to control it on the TV and present it. After it's presented, you can now control or you can manipulate the timing of the animations and all that simply by sitting in front of your laptop and then controlling it from the TV. At the end of this video, I'm going to attach a sample video from one such location so you see how it works. But basically, that's it. It's done. And the advantages of this over a flash drive or a thumb drive is that with this, you get to control the content just from your laptop. So basically, in a day, you have just one activity. Set the TV's app, present it, that's it. The rest is up to you. All you have to do is just control it from your laptop. If you want to make a change to the display or to the template, you just do it from your laptop and instantly it's reflected on the TV. Let's say you have 5 locations. You just need to create 5 separate files if you want to present different stuffs at each location. And then all they have to do is set a TV up, just like they'll do with a thumb drive on a daily basis. And then you control it from here. So that's it. Now, like I promised, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a live presentation of how this works. So that's what is coming up next. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. You can see I have a display in front of me and currently it's loading 2 seconds simply because I set it on the laptop as 2 seconds. Right now, the TV and the laptop are signed into the same Canva account. So if you have a restaurant, you can just create a new Google account and use it to register on Canva, where you'll do all your display works. All right. Now, if I come back here and I change the speed from 2, because 2 is really fast. If I change it from 2 to 5 seconds, and then I apply it to all pages, I'm not going to move the phone, just so you know. Now you can see the speed changes from the background if you're paying attention. So now they are all loading at a 5-second rate, just because I just changed it on the laptop, right? And now let's just say on this page, which has the Mango Madness, let's assume I wanted to make an edit to it. All I have to do is come here. I want you to take a look at it as it comes by. Mango Madness. All right. So all I have to do is come here, and then let's say I just want to take out the madness, right? I want to take out the madness and just make it mango. If I take it out as I edited it live, the next time it appears, it's going to be a mango without the madness. And so this is the power you have, right? And then if I align it from here, all right, let's just say I want to align it at the center. The next time it appears is going to be aligned in the center. Right, so I'm waiting. You can see it's aligned in the center. And the next time it comes up, it's aligned in the center. So this is what I'm actually basically talking about with regards to creating digital metabots on any screen.